Let us solve the Junior Olympia. The question is 2x power x equals to 32x squared. This question needs a different approach. So watch it to the end and see how it will be solved. So now you observe that these two can divide 32. Go further, just reduce their work by dividing it. So this one will go, this one will give you 16. So the question would have now been reduced to x to the power x equals to 16x squared. But mind you, do not reduce the variables, only the constant that you can reduce. Because if you reduce the variable, you might reduce their answers. So now let us start to bring all the variables on one side. So you divide both sides by x squared. So this one will go. The left hand side now will become x to the power x over x squared equals to 16. So they did not have common power. So what you do is just write this one in the form of x to the power x minus 2. Law of indices equals to 60. We are making progress. So the left hand side still remains x to the power x minus 2 equals to 16. Let us break this 16 to 4 squared. But we have a problem here. The bases are not the same and the power are not the same. But look at it. The left hand side, the base is x and the power is x minus 2. So can't we do something here legal? This time remains as 4. Can we make this one resemble 4? 4. But the power is 2. So this 4 is minus 2. Now can you look at the trend here? So we have x power x minus 2. This one resembles this and 2 away from it. And this one too. This one is 4 and the base is 4 minus 2. Remember, 4 minus 2 is still 2. So you did not change anything here. So clearly the value of x equals to 4. And if you like, you can even equate the base, the power. The base is 4. That means if you equate the power, now you have x. X minus 2 will be equals to 4 minus 2. So this minus 2 minus 2 will go. So we see remains x is equals to 4. And that is the final answer.